Coming to you from the floor of the CME Group, I'm Eric Wolfman Wilkinson. It's Friday, February the 24th. Let's get in the zone, the cash money zone. Well, today's expiration in the grains here and over in the Treasury Financial Room. But if Adele was here today, she'd be singing, "I'm setting fire to the grains." Well, I don't know. Coffee made me say that. Take that. So, anyway, moving on. Today is expiration, so yeah, you will see some volatility. Mostly that'll come at the end of the day. Right now, everybody's kind of setting it up. But towards the end of the day, when we're heading into the final minutes, the bulls and the bears are going to be battling it out to try and get their settlement. Because basically, if your long puts below the trading price right now, you're out of the money. You need to push those futures down to push your options into the money so you can make that money. Otherwise, they're going to expire worthless in your puts, all right? So, moving on. What do we have going on today? We have the new home sales. New home sales came in as expected. It kind of gave a little bit more lift to the equities. We're above that 1363 level that I've been talking so much about. It's basically going to act as a support now as we trade above that. The next resistance I really have is basically at 1372 and above that 1384, all right? Those are your resistances. Right now we're kind of at a key area right now. If we settle down or sell off a little bit, that's where the bulls or the bears are going to be winning, the bulls are losing, and then that's going to push us back down to that 1344 area we talked about a couple weeks ago before that was going to be a resistance. That's almost becoming the pivot now. So if we're above that 1344, the bulls are winning. Below 1344, the bears are winning, all right? I personally am in the camp where I think this is a little bit overdone. It looks like the commodities are overdone as well. They've kind of pushed up against technical resistance. And the crude oil, grains, we're starting to see that trail off again. We're about, 3 cents below settlement yesterday. Bears are starting to win. They're going to try and push in that 630 handle so that those 630 puts come into the play, all right? If there's anything above that, they're out of the money, all right? A lot of your rights, I know you guys are probably keeping up, but anyway, take that. All right, crude oil. If we can push up on crude oil, I've got resistance at 109.80. Above that, I got 110.82. So basically, those are going to be the next resistances on the upside. We're above the pivot that I've been talking about. Support on the downside is 107.26. Take that. But in the corn, like I said, the pivot is 641. We're trading right now 636 below that pivot area. The bears are winning. They're going to try and push in that down to that 630 handle, so all those out of the monies right now will be coming into the money at the expiration at the end of the day. So today is key at 1:15 for the grains, 2 o'clock for the financials, and it's going to be 3 o'clock for the equities. It's going to be a lot of funny business as everybody battles it out. They're probably going to wait and set up for the end of the day, not blast all their bullets early in the morning, so it's kind of a little low right now. You should probably see the anticipation gradually increase as the day goes on. If you can't take that, take it easy.